One of the best parts of my job is seeing students grow throughout the course of the program into becoming entry-level clinicians and treat patients and help those patients achieve their goals. My name is Heather Jones. I am an adjunct faculty member of the Physical Therapist Assistant Program, also known as PTA, and I'm also an alumni of the program. The overall goal of the program is so that students graduate and they are prepared to be entry-level physical therapist assistants. Students tend to love all of the hands-on lab time that is a core component of the PTA program. Each of the main courses has significant lab time where students can practice the skills that they're learning and the interventions that they're learning. Some of the students' favorite part of the PTA program are their clinical rotations, and this allows students the opportunity to work under the mentorship of a physical therapist in a variety of settings, both inpatient settings and outpatient settings, and so they get to grow and practice their skills in the real world, and this builds their confidence as well as their skill set so they're ready to treat patients at the end of the program. As part of the service component of the PTA program, PTA students get an opportunity to work with a nonprofit organization called Friendship Adventures. And that organization is dedicated to enriching the lives of developmentally disabled people. And so PTA students develop and implement outdoor activities for the participants of the camp. And the goal of that project is so that students get the opportunity to communicate with a community different from theirs to promote equity and social justice. I am an alumni of the PTA program, and one of the things that I loved was being able to help patients achieve their goals. And I get that same satisfaction from coming back to teach in the program and helping students achieve their goals of becoming physical therapist assistants. I hope that they develop a passion for their new career, a passion for treating patients, and also a passion for lifelong learning.